Hello everyone, I am Ankit Goel. I lead the distribution sales for Tecumseh India. Today we are introducing the Bravo compressor, which is designed specifically for the refrigeration service and replacement market. Uh, Bravo compressor is designed with due care for the aftermarket segment, where reliability, quick installation, and easy replacement are the essential for technicians and service professionals. One of the key benefits of Bravo compressor is its service-friendly design. Its compact structure and standardized connections allows the technicians to replace the compressor easily and quickly without requiring any major change in the system configuration. Of course, Bravo comes with the Tecumseh global engineering standards and hence comes with durability and robustness, which is expected from the Tecumseh products. For more information on Bravo and other aftermarket solutions, please visit our website tecumseh.com or contact your local Tecumseh representative.